Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack, and today I will be showing you how to resize photos using Microsoft PowerToys Windows 11. So first is of course make sure to download the Microsoft PowerToys into your Windows. Now, once you have downloaded it, you can just simply open it up. It will look something like this. Now, from here, you will have multiple options or features that you could turn on the right side over here. And just make sure you have the Image Resizer turned on. Now, once you have this featured enabled, you can just simply go ahead and go to your folder or your picture file. Now, to do this, you could just simply go ahead and right click on the file that you have. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option down below, resize with image resizer. So go ahead and click on that and you will have this app open up or window. And when you select small over here, you could go ahead and go for the medium, large, phone, and down below you should be able to see the pixels that the category have, and you will have here the custom pixels as well. Now, once you have chosen it, you will have multiple options over here, whether to make the pictures smaller but not larger, ignore the orientation of pictures, overwrite the files, or remove metadata that doesn't affect our rendering. And you can go for the gear icon as well over here. And once you are done with your changes and your filters, you just simply go ahead and select resize over here. And should be able to be successfully resizing the photo using the Microsoft Power Toys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.